Hey guys, and we're back for playing Beat Swarm Simulator. And I'm the only one and no one joined. And the new update has been coming. And since the gummy bee's gone, and it was the top of the 20 bee gate. Look, gummy bee eclair is up there. Let's check it out. Hello, Army Ant. See, look at here is the play ant challenge rounds here. Oh, I can. Look at this. There's an ant pass here. Hello, Gummy Bee. It says here, combine 2,500 gummy drops into a gummy bee. Hey bees. Fire the red cannon. New items in the mountaintop shop. Golden rake and spark stuff, and I screenshot it. Look at this. I have a blue port hive on my back. Look at this. It's so shiny. Werewolf. This is amazing. With a red port hive, is that there is on a red HQ 5 gumdrops. Get more royal jelly. Just 20 of them. Yeah, look at royal jelly. Royal jelly, royal jelly. It's time to transform you. Look at me. Now. Come on. Give the Hasty me! Yes, I give the Hasty me! Transform. Rage me. Rad me. Rascal me. Exhausted me. Bomber. Stubborn. Bomber. Stubborn. Rad me. Bumblebee. Bumblebee. Fire. Bumble. Frosty. Hasty. Cool. Devil bee. Yay! I have 4 gifted bees. I have 4 gifted bees. Now we're going to the brown bear because I have completed 2 quests. Blip, 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 blip. Royal jelly. Now it's time to transform you. Ridey bee. Bumblebee. So this is it. Wait, we're not done yet. There is a festive bee egg right here. One gold egg Fire the red cannon. And we get the eviction. One eviction. It's time to remove a bee. Hatch is an epic and legendary bee. It's time to remove your bumblebee. Fire, we already have you. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, slap the bell, and comment down below which your favorite Roblox video should I play. And I see you guys next time. Bye!